So we've arrived in Benin. We're with our guide, John Paul.
Hello.
But there's one problem.
Ever since we've been in Benin, we've been walking around. We've really wanted to immerse ourselves in the culture, but we've been getting a lot of strange looks. I think we really stick out. What can we do to fit in more?
I know exactly what to do.
Okay, I am now in the Cotonou market, the largest market in West Africa. I'm in traditional Togolese clothes, Beninese clothes, and we are making our way through this market to buy vegetables. But the vegetables we're gonna get today are for Beninese gumbo that we're gonna make tonight. We're getting some strange looks, but so far everybody has been very positive. They say we look great. So I'm here with Jean-Paul Augustine. We're here and we are buying fish for the gumbo.
So she's asking the price. So she said it's 500.
For how much?
I discussed the price.
So it's about $1, $1 US for how much for a kilo? For one fish?
Yeah.
So $1, $1 US for about one fish, about 90 cents actually. This is smoked fish. You can really smell the smoke coming off of the fish. Quite fresh, quite good. And we're gonna get several of these for the gumbo this evening. I can't wait, it's awesome. So this is called sama. This is a local green that they have here in Benin, and this is going to go in the gumbo tonight. I'm gonna buy a batch of this and throw it in the bag, and it's quite fresh. It smells like, it doesn't really have a scent, but it smells like rocky grape a little bit or something. Apparently this goes in all West African gumbo, so we're gonna get a batch of this and throw it in tonight. Now it looks like we're getting salted fish or salted sardines. I'm gonna get a close-up of this because it looks quite interesting. Check this out. These are fresh crabs for the gumbo. We're having a look to see what kind of seafood we're gonna add to this. But these are the fresh crabs that are gonna be going in here. C'est bon? C'est bon? Yeah? It looks good. It's really I'm watching John Paul and his mom discuss the prices of the crabs. One crab is 150 francs. So we've got the crab for the gumbo.
We've got the crab for the gumbo. So now we value this. It's called bama.
Bama?
Bama. Bama. Great. So we buy bama.
Okay.
This is also part of the different things we need to have a great gumbo.
And what exactly is this?
So this is a cow
skin.
Yeah.
Mama, I said, look.
So here in West Africa, they put cow skin in the gumbo. I knew there are a lot of other components that we normally don't put in gumbo in the United States, but I'm looking forward to this. It actually looks kind of like a pork rind, but it's cow skin. I guess she's washing it there.
Yeah, she wants to them. What's this?
But as you can see, it's all here. All the ingredients you would ever need for gumbo is all here. Look at the size of these okras. I mean, this is these are quite fat okras here. A lot different from what you find in from where I'm from in New Orleans. But it looks absolutely amazing. Ooh. Quoi?
C'est seul.
Yes. C'est bon. Oh, they're selling, I think, raw salt here. You can even get rock salt. There's rock salt in these. So it's all spices here, all salt. You can get ginger root, all ginger root. Everything you possibly need to make the perfect West African gumbo. So now we're here buying cheese. What is this type of cheese called?
So it's called,
you know?
Wangashi.
Wangashi.
Yes.
So it looks like it's red in color. It's actually quite beautiful, and they're soaking in water.
Yeah.
And you have to fry this, right? You take this home.
You fry it.
You take this home raw.
Yeah.
And you put it in like a skillet and fry it.
Exactly.
Until it gets a little hard, almost like I don't know. I guess like fried cheese, right? There's a white version here too. We can have a look at this. There's white cheese here you can buy.
So you either buy the white one or the red one. It's the same cheese. There's no difference.
And it certainly does look nice. I mean, it's certainly something that stands out in the market in terms of food. You get very vibrant greens of the okra. You hear the rattling of the crabs. The fish heads certainly stick out. You can smell it. But if you want to come look for cheese, it's actually quite easy. You just look for these red round discs. So we're making our way through the list. What else do we need? What's on the list?
So we just bought the cheese. Good. We need palm oil.
Shrimp. Palm oil. Do we have onion?
We need onion.
We have onions. We need onions. All right. It's a maze here, but we're gonna make our way through and find onions, palm oil, shrimp. We're on our way to get some more. All the grains here.
Both the chilies.
What is this?
We're now moving on to buy the shrimp.
What is this?
The palm.
Palm?
Yeah. That. The
So palm nuts. Okay, I see. These are palm nuts. Where are these usually used?
So they use this, and this is what we will get the oil from.
Oh, okay, right. This is where palm oil comes from.
Oh yeah, you can smell if it's fresh.
So this is the oil.
This is the palm oil that we're gonna be cooking with.
Smell. So we saw the palm nut.
Right, that's the oil that's made from the nut. It's strong. That's potent.
Yeah.
That's got a real smell to it. John Paul's mom is laughing because all of the locals are kind of freaking out because we're dressed this way, and they're wondering what the hell we're doing. I would wonder too. This is what happens when you film. Here, I'll get you.
Oh.
It's incredibly hot out, so you have to do what you can to stay cool. All right, we're making our way through the market. We're gonna get some more. Now we're buying shrimps for the gumbo. Check out these dried shrimps.
Sorry, I stepped in there.
So we're actually buying salt right now. This is the woman adding actually raw salt to this bag. Check it out.
So that one is 300.
So about 50 cents.
Yeah,
This is about 50 cents. And double bag, very good. And that's how you do it. What else are we getting?
By fish.
Fish?
More fish. More fish.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go get more fish. Through the market.
Move on.
All right, John Paul's gonna teach us how to dance with this.
Or better, yourself. Wait,
There it is. All right, we're getting taught how to dance. You take a break from shopping and you do a dance.
like this?
C'est comme ça.
Yeah, that's the Oh, you go this, man. Taking your head on the side.
What else? What other moves? Understand? So they've got us dancing in the streets here in the market, and everyone's watching.
Everybody's
Look,
watching.
look behind, look. Everyone's having a great show. Jody's doing the robot. They're filming us.
It gets incredibly hot in these crowded markets. So one thing you have to look for are these clean bags of water. They sell fresh water here in these clean bags. They're about 25 cents a piece. You rip a hole in the corner. This water is saving my life. It feels good. Now that I'm hydrated and refreshed, we can buy more food. Comment ça va? Bien? Comment c'est la vie en Continental Market?
C'est bon gumbo? Oui. C'est le meilleur.
Yeah, she said that's good. That's the best.
So is this everything for this?
This is a massive crate of water, so this is what I'm talking about. They sell these individually in bags. You can buy them in the market about 25 cents a piece. But this is what they sell here. Bags of clean water. So if you're ever in the market, get one of these. You'll stay hydrated. It's gotta be good. So as we are in a former French colony, as you find snails.
have escargot in the market. These are big water snails, yeah? And they will cook these like they would in France with garlic and butter. Wow. Wow. Amazing.
This looks like an election. Say Jolie. Hey, hold this.
Say Jolie. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Hey, I got that. Hey, I got that. Oh yeah. I got that. Oh yeah. Before your boy, I got that love. Hey, hey, Kasema, 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 bang, bang, bang. Merci. Merci beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup. Thank you. Merci. Hey.
Au revoir. So that's it. That's our last day in the market in Benin. We're sitting on the steps and resting, waiting for a taxi to bring us to Calavi. We're gonna make gumbo with JP and his mom. We've bought all the ingredients.
Yeah.
It's very hot, we're very tired, but I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good one. I can't wait to see how Benin does their gumbo. I'm very curious about how it's gonna go, but all the ingredients look amazing. I bet it's gonna taste fantastic. Next video is gonna be the gumbo of Benin.